Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Quick Life 2D-like arm sway inside of VNyan. So let's go ahead and get started. Simply go to your menu, go to settings, and make sure that you're on tracking effects. Then you can scroll down and find the arm sway setting here. Simply just click on this, and then you can see that your arms are able to start moving. You can adjust the sliders here according to what you want. So Y multiplier can be nice, just adjusting like up and down movements. And then X is referring to when you're moving side to side, like this. Wow. Shoulder multiplier is nice if you want to have your shoulders extra bouncy or if you don't want your shoulders moving at all. So it really depends on what you want. Arm multiplier is nice if you want to have it where your arms move more easily. And then of course you have hand multiplier, which can adjust how much your hands are just going to flop around. And then you have finger multiplier, which is simply just this, like you can see here, there's the finger right there. It's mainly affecting the index one, so because it is originally based off of Heavy's arm sway, so pretty much. But either way, you just pretty much adjust it however you personally want. But of course though, if you do have plans on doing some more intense setup, now in the future, VNyan may consider of course adding even more easy to access settings that, maybe there might be a setting where in the future there could be like a sort of tracking effect to have like a drawing tablet sort of movement or something like that. I'm not sure, can't confirm that. But if you do want some more like very extra fine-tuned controls, of course, do keep in mind there is the node-based version of the arm sway that's created by Luna, so originally made by Heavy, but of course there is a version that up to date, which is what Luna has prepared. So if you want more fine-tuning and much more control, use the node version of the arm sway. But otherwise though, if you don't want to overcomplicate the setup, then you can simply just use this and call it a day. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys did have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey, goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!